The World Health Organization announced it's setting up an independent panel to review the agency's response to the coronavirus pandemic. Former Prime Minister of New Zealand, Helen, has been appointed as co-chair. CBS News foreign affairs analyst Pamela Falk spoke with Clark about her plans.
We need to, I think, come back to the very purpose of why we have organisations like the World Health Organization or the International Monetary Fund or the UN itself, and that is that there are problems bigger than what any one country can solve. And if we don't have international cooperation, then frankly, these problems are going to blow out to a great magnitude. Look, with Ebola, it didn't get things right. And it turned itself upside down after Ebola, looking back at why hadn't X been done at Y point. And that led to quite a lot of change in the way it prepared for emergencies like this. Thank goodness it did, because that meant there would be a better response. And I think there has been a much better response than with Ebola. But if you say to me, see here now, was everything done 100% right? Probably not. But what can we learn from that to get it better next time?
And I have to ask President Trump, who gave notice of the U.S. intention to withdraw, accused the World Health Organization of being slow, of aiding China disseminate false information. What will the panel do to address those kind of criticisms? And how legitimate do you think they are? Do you have a message for President Trump with regard to the WHO?
Well, as someone from a small country who knows that international cooperation is absolutely vital, of course, when the United States, which is such a pillar of the international system, walks away from an organization, it's really very distressing for the rest of us. I don't think these decisions are for forever, and I very much hope we'll see the US back in there playing the role that it's traditionally played.